This is going to be the fastest and easiest training you've ever heard on DAP notes. Hi, I'm Dr. Maelisa McCaffrey, founder of the free private practice paperwork crash course, and we are going to outline what you put in a DAP note. So for the data section, D, here you can include all of your topics discussed and literally just put topics discussed, and then add a few phrases. 2 to 3 are fine. You can also include here any client quotes, anything that your client said that was insightful, interesting, or reflective. And you can include your therapist interventions. And same thing here, just put interventions, and list them out in phrase form. Do not write full sentences, but do provide a little bit of detail. Then in your assessment section, the A section, you can include everything else. So you can have the client presentation, which is like a mini mental status of mood, affect, behavior. Again, think words, very small phrases, not full sentences, and keep it short and simple. And then you can include your client progress here. So your progress statement will always have the client's progress toward those treatment goals and their ongoing impairments or challenges. So this is like your update of their symptoms and how they're doing in treatment. For the plan section, the P section, you're going to include when you'll see them next. So when is the next appointment? And you're also going to add anything that you plan to do before then, consults, resources you're going to provide, or things that your client is going to do before the next session, reflections, homework, etc. And that's it. That's your quick and easy DAP note.